Alright, so here we have a Ruud Ultra Series heat pump right here. Right here, Ruud Ultra has a GE ECM, but also Gentech ECM motor, but also a ProTech, because it's a Ruud. So it's a Gentech ProTech, I don't know. It's a Gen ProTech, I guess, I don't know. Capacitor, reversing valves in there, it's hard to see. Maybe you guys can see it, I think, yeah. That's probably a Copeland scroll compressor that's been running not too long ago. So yeah. It's from 2010, it's a 2.5 ton UPQL. And yeah. There's stuff down there I already filmed before. I'll upload that later, including this unit. So yeah, thanks for watching, and over and out.